Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to kind of go over the finishing touches of these little wire embellishments. This is the Happy Jig, but I saw Pink Crafty World. I think that's her YouTube name. Maria, she posted that this was on sale at Tuesday morning for $9. So I think that's a really great deal. So I was like, you know what, let me whip mine out. So I whipped out some letters, some more words, I guess, not letters. These are hello, and I did them in 4 different colors, like a rose gold, coppery color, gold, blue, and pink. And I'm going to use some of this recycled like acetate plastic to put them in there. I think I'm going to cut this piece off. Yeah, let's do that now. So it's like a double layer. This just pops in, but I'm just going to cut it across the top, make it thinner. And then I'm going to use some of the gather paper. I just cut like a rough estimate of the size. Do you guys just do this when you're measuring stuff? Like, I'll put it up to where I need it to be, and I'll just kind of remember where at on the paper it is. Like, I'd be like, okay, on the goose's tail on that second line. Like, that's how I measure. Isn't that weird? This will be the backing piece. And it does. Fits perfect. Oh, I love that little swan paper. It's probably my favorite piece of paper out of the entire Gather like collection. Gather is not my favorite collection, but hey, I do. Okay, and I'm just gonna kind of like stagger these. Oh, I should probably put this one up here so that they fit on. I'm showing this Happy Jig, my hello wire. It's just a little bit too big right there. Okay, stagger them like that so they fit on the actual paper. And if they didn't fit, then I would only do 3 on here. My ATG is all clogged up. I'm going to use this glue runner to do these letters. I mean, not letters, words down. And what I did hopefully they stay. What I did off camera, I didn't even mention, is I glued 2 little flowers on right here. I think that just added like so much cuteness, I guess, to the little wire lettering, is adding little flowers. I did use my AliExpress T7000, that I read the reviews that it was kind of like the E6000 version, but in a tiny little thing and a fine point tip. The only thing I did not know until I used this, okay, can't even get it in, is that it's black. And I'm like, oh great, is it gonna dry a different color? Hopefully. It did not. So the back is black, but these flowers are on good. If I used hot glue, this whatever I hot glue to this will pop off of the metal. It's just, it doesn't adhere good. I'm sure you could use a strong adhesive, definitely when you're working with gluing stuff onto these bad boys. But anyway, I'm just gonna do tape runner. Oh, look how cute. This box is pretty thick for, I mean, these aren't really thick embellishments that I'm doing. Okay. But I wanted to use the box because why not? Oops, I need to get it. Okay, how cute. Okay, so I'm just creasing. Uh-oh. Yeah, you know what? I should test that. So this ATG is not strong enough. I need my gun. Okay, so I just went through with my ATG gun, and this is the permanent refill. There's the normal refill it comes with, and then this is the permanent one. It's much stickier, I guess. I mean, not long term, but it's stickier. Definitely stickier and thicker than this Adtech that did not work. Clearly, you guys saw that. So let me try this again. Okay, so as you can tell, there's a huge difference with the tape. Usually the ATG gun does not win in my book of adhesives, but compared to this Adtech tape runner, it definitely works, and it's definitely way stickier. So look how cute. Now I'm just gonna decorate like probably the top, and let me put some tape. So from the 12 by 12, I'm gonna add this piece to the top of this. And what I've started doing with my 12 by 12s is I literally just cut out a piece that I know is gonna work for my, I guess my project or whatever. Bigger, obviously, so I could cut it down. Because I found when I rip the page out and then cut what I need, this page then goes into a scraps binder, and I forget that I have it in the scraps, and I should probably just leave it with the 12 by 12, you know, so I waste less paper. So now I'm going to cut this down. So I went ahead and did a sloppy double stitch on here. Some of it's overlapping, some of it's not. I think it looks cute that way. And I'm going to hot glue it on here. My hot glue is heating up, I guess, but I know I want to add some type of trim popping out, maybe like peeking off the bottom part of this. Let me go dig through my stash. Okay, so I decided I'm going to use this like flat style pom-pom. It's where the pom-poms aren't dangling. This is from AliExpress. I have like all the good pastel colors in this one. I'm probably just going to glue it down like right here somewhere. Yeah, I think that'll be cute. Okay, so let me glue this paper down. And then note when you're working with hot glue and acetate, will and it can start melting and warping your plastic because the hot glue is so, you know, hot glue. Melts everything in its sight. I'm just gonna glue that down. Cover the plastic part. Super cute. Cut some of this down. I like that little, or should I have it so it's like showing a little bit? I think I like it like that. I want to do it with, whoa, fine line over the glue I just did, like so. And then I go ahead with some like super sharp scissors anytime I'm working with trim and cut the edges off after the fact. So looking cute so far. Now you can totally embellish the top piece. Now I'm gonna use some like of the ephemera and stuff from the collection. Actually, I'll probably use some of these standouts. Let's see here. That maybe go with the theme. I like that little deer. So I'm totally gonna use this deer. I know somewhere. I should get a little rosette, pre-made rosette, and add it like right in the top corner. I think that would be cute. Okay, so I have my little handy dandy box of crepe paper rosettes. How wonderful are these? Christina's Craftiness D-Stash on Instagram, she does make these rosettes because I literally, watch, hold on. You can see from the box which ones did Toni make and which ones did Christina make. And then also Kenzie's Scraps makes ones with tulle, and they're a little bit smaller than the ones that Christina makes. I will link both of those ladies down below. Here's what I freaking make. And then let me pull, I don't even know which color. Look at this. Like, what in the heck? Like, how does she make them so perfect? And what the heck is going on with mine? Anyway, as you can tell, these were like, obviously before I started buying them, prefabbed, because yeah, no, I just can't. I cannot make a crepe paper rosette. So yeah, I'm gonna use a smaller one. You know what? I should stick to like a turquoise to break up all this color. I'm gonna use a turquoise one, and this one has like some silver little glitter specks in it. Should I do it in the center? Let's see here. No, I definitely need something else lining with this, like a die cut. So I'm gonna glue this down so that I have no choice but to use it. And then I work around that because I know I want a rosette one here. So in the upper corner, and then look how cute the little tulle stuff popping out. Those away. Not put away, I mean throw on my floor until the next time I clean my room. And I'm gonna get some little like leaf die cuts, I think. I think that'll be good to layer with this. So I'm gonna go get my books that you guys made me for our my embellishment, my giveaway challenge, and you had to include 10 extra ephemera pieces, or not ephemera, die cuts if you wanted extra points. So let me go grab those books. Okay, so I brought 2 of my little books over here. I need a shape, like a circle shape, or like a doily, this little something like this. Probably can use gold. I didn't have to die cut anything because you guys already made me stuff. That's why I love. Just maybe do a solid gold. A solid gold center. Let's try that. When you're working with gold foil, make sure that you only do it where you need some glue, because if you put it on anywhere else, it warps the color of the foil. There's my cute little deer at the top, and then I want to peep some leaves on the back of that. And I know you ladies sent me plenty of leaves. Here's my leaves tab, which I need to tab all my other stuff. Oh, flowers galore. Okay, let me maybe some gold leaves. These are cute embossed leaves. Yes, let's add this little swirly plant leaf. So that'll be cute, and I love glitter. Start looking like. I can find a solid color, like a solid gold. I think this might work. So I'm gonna add those behind there to give this some texture. See the process you gotta do to, if I have stuff just in there and I know it's being covered, I will just glue it on top. I don't glue the stuff behind it, because if I lift up where it's at, then it's gonna lose its spot where exactly I wanted it. See, so like this leaf, I could either glue it on the top or in the back, which I'll do in the back as well. It's got that. Super cute. And then I do want to add a little texture of like a ball thing. Add some little ball stamen thingies. I think I'll add probably white. Just get it. These are from AliExpress, and I have 1 million of them, so I need to use them. I'm gonna tuck it up under there. You can barely see it, but it's just adding that extra. That's the hardest thing I think about paper crafting, was learning how to layer stuff, and it was okay to cover other stuff. Like, I didn't do it that much covering other stuff, but it is still a hard challenge for me. I'm gonna add a little, I think a cute little butterfly on here would be cute. And you guys gifted me so many gorgeous butterflies. Let's see here. I want to add a little one. Oh, this one's cute. It's like a Maggie Holmes paper. I'm just going to fold it in half and then glue the little centerpiece. Probably like right here. Just hold it down, and then now I can open him up. I should probably add one more if I can find a little one. Oh, these ones have some tiny ones. So these, oh my gosh, look at these. These are so tiny. I don't even remember who gifted them to me, but they're gonna be perfect when they're different. I like when things are different sizes and kind of staggered. I'm gonna put him like right there. I'm gonna open his wings. So see how they're kind of like flying away. Super cute. Okay, and then to top off these cute little oh my gosh, did I get hot glue everywhere? Hopefully it just peels right off. To make this even more extra, I'm gonna add some Nouveau drops. This is, what color is this? Crystal Drops Party Pink. one. And I like to make them in 3 different sizes. In like a triangle form. Triangle formation. And sometimes I'll do different like colors and stuff. But for now, I'll just do that. And then I gotta let this guy dry. Jeez, my fingerprint was on that. So, I like how this came out. Super cute, right? Cute little embellishment. Recycled embellishment topper. All right. Bye guys. I'll catch you on the next crafty video.